Okay, in today's video, I draw the hand pointing. Okay, welcome to Vanquish Studio. This is the YouTube channel that teaches you how to draw. Well, actually, I'm teaching myself how to draw in the Marvel style, and you are more than welcome to join me. And if you would like more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the hand pointing, and then at the stay till the end of the video because I'm going to show you my secret weapon for sketching and drawing the hand. Okay. So drawing the hand pointing, okay, first we're going to block it in. So I'm going to draw this part right here. And these are going to be the fingers. And they get bigger as it moves over. And then this is going to be the palm. And here's another palm structure right here. And then the thumb is roughly right about here. And of course we got the index finger pointing like so. Okay. Actually, let's make that a little bit longer. I'll go back in here and erase this. Okay, now you'll notice that I have the basic shapes of the hand. I'm like, oh, okay. Now I can go back in and fill it in. So I'm going to start with the, well, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to divide this up. See the fingers. So we got the pinky, ring finger, middle finger, and index, and of course the thumb right down here. And then we've got the palm structure down here. Now what's going to be tricky is, let's draw the knuckles. We'll draw the knuckles right here like this. And then this hand is coming out and it's going to be showing a little more of the knuckle underneath. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to make this come over. And then this is going to be down here like this. Okay, now here's where it gets tricky. This finger is actually bent over. So we're going to draw the pinky bent over. So there's a curve here, and then the pinky's over here like this. So you'll see the pinky. Now for the index finger, the knuckle right here. We'll draw another knuckle right here and right here. So we can see where the finger is. Thumb will be like this. This finger, I think I'm going to move it a little bit closer. And then of course we got the knuckles right here like this. The wrist is coming off like right about here. And there we have the finger pointing. So there we have a finger pointing. Now of course we can add some shading to this and make it look even better. Okay, so a really handy book that I use a lot, and I use it for practicing and I use it for a lot of videos on YouTube, is the Illustrator's Reference Manual of Hands and Faces. So if you open this book, first of all, it's a little dated. You'll look at the models and you'll be like, okay, yeah, the hairstyles are a little old. It's very 1980s-ish. But the important thing about this is all of the references of hands. And not just hands, it shows the hands in different points of view. So if you look at this, it has the hands, and this is the angle that it's showing you from. So you can see the angle, and it gives you all of these different points of view to practice your hands. See, here's another angle. This is like straight on, and this is looking down. So you can see the angle is looking down. And you get to practice all different points of view. And there's different things in this as far as hands. You have the hand sharpening a pencil, you have a pencil poised, you have shaking a tambourine, not that anybody plays a tambourine, taking notes, and you'll notice that all of the different hand poses are really good for practicing. And the hand that I just did, I got out of this book. So I highly recommend, if you are having trouble drawing hands, okay, so I highly recommend, if you are having trouble drawing hands, get the Illustrator's Reference Manual of Hands and Faces. Okay, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, be sure to like it, share it, and I will see you next Friday.